talent level is there. If you're a team looking to strengthen your team now, this is the time. Record number of draftees, very deep talent. Tapos ang maganda pa rito, walang draftees yung mga malalakas na team, walang nakuha si Token Tex ng maaga, walang nakuha si San Miguel, walang nakuha si Magnolia ng maaga, walang nakuha si Ginebra ng maaga. Ang problema lang, in 1 or 2 years, baka sa kanila naman mapunta yung mga napik natin ngayon. Parang incubation lang yung nangyari. So, if you're serious in competing, this is the time for you to pick your talent and develop that talent. If you're serious. Kung hindi ka serious, magiging incubator ka lang. So, I think we have to put a lot of emphasis on parity, on parity para lalong gumanda yung liga natin. Nakikita natin na yung mga ibang Asian Pro Leagues, they're developing and progressing by leaps and bounds. So, naunahan na tayo. So, kailangan humabol tayo.